Today I am back with another video which is related to our previous one where we were reviewing about the Himba culture. Just in case if you missed out, the link to our previous video is pinned in the comment section below. As we all know that the Himba are nomadic people, which simply means they move from one place to another with their livestock in search for water and pastures. This shows us that the Himba people are very attached more to the backward way of living than the modern way of living. When we visited the Otjamaungu Himba village, we faced the accommodation challenge. Then we were referred to a certain school which is located right in the heart of that village. Welcome to Otjamaungu Government Primary School. It was to my surprise to find out about this school, which triggered the idea of investigating its foundation. According to our findings, it was about 10 years ago when the Minister of Education took a step and sent messengers to this village to assess and investigate if it was necessary for a school to be established under the Education to All implemented in Vision 2030. It was then when they decided to send a group of teachers to start a mobile school. Initially, teachers would go to where the Himba people used to carry out their day-to-day activities, from home, river where they fetch water, and even to the grazing land where the boys look after livestock. This is where they were taught the importance and benefits which comes with education. In order to persuade the kids, the teachers used to dish out gifts like sweets, biscuits, snacks as a way for kids to want to come back for more. In that manner, they managed to give lessons after dishing out the gifts. The number kept on increasing until they decided to come up with a school structure you are seeing now. We still have more to learn about the Himba culture. Link up in our next video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe so that anytime we upload a video, you will be notified.